Welcome to the course Foundations of Data Science. It's a 3 credit course. It is followed by third semester computer science and engineering students in Anna University at Regulation 2021. The objectives of this course: to understand the data science fundamentals and process, to learn to describe the data for the data science process, to learn to describe the relationship between data, to utilize the Python libraries for data wrangling, to present and interpret data using visualization libraries in Python. This course consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is Introduction, Unit 2 Describing Data, Unit 3 Describing Relationships, Unit 4 Python libraries for data wrangling, Unit 5 Data Visualization. Then course outcomes. What is the outcome of learning this course? See, at the end of this course, the students will be able to define the data science process, understand different types of data description for data science process, gain knowledge on relationships between data, use the Python libraries for data wrangling, apply visualization libraries in Python to interpret and explore data. Let us see the first unit, that is Introduction. So, what is data? In computing, data is information that has been translated into a form that is efficient for movement or processing. Or we can say data is a known facts that can be recorded that have implicit meaning. For example, student name is a data, register number is a data, phone number is a data, the blood group is a data. Next, data science. What is data science? So, data science is an evolutionary extension of statistics capable of dealing with the massive amounts of data produced every day. It adds methods from computer science to the repertoire of statistics. Then we will see the benefits and uses of data science. Data science and big data are used almost everywhere in both commercial and non-commercial settings. Commercial companies in almost every industry use data science and big data to gain insights into their customers. Many companies use data science to offer customers a better user experience as well as to cross-sell, upsell, and personalize their offerings. Governmental organizations and non-governmental organizations are also using this data science. In governmental organizations, they are aware of data's value. Many governmental organizations not only rely on internal data scientists to discover valuable information but also share their data with the public. Non-governmental organizations, that is NGOs, use it to raise money and defend their causes. Universities also use this data science in their research but also to enhance the study experience of their students. The rise of massive open online courses, that is MOOC, produces a lot of data which allows universities to study how this type of learning can complement traditional classes. Next, we will see about the facets of data. There are different types of data, such as structured, unstructured, natural language, machine generated data, graph based data, audio, video, and images, and streaming data. Let us see structured data. What is structured data? So, structured data, it depends on a data model and resides in a fixed field within a record. For example, we can say the SQL table. Next, unstructured data. It's not easy to fit into a data model because the content is context specific or varying. Example is email. Then third is natural language data. Here the language is a special type of unstructured data. Fourth one is the machine generated data, automatically created by a computer, process, application or other machine without human interventions. Example, web server logs, call detail records, network event logs. Graph based data. Data that